In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or turn off formatting marks in Microsoft Word. In this tutorial, I'll show you two ways to control formatting marks in Microsoft 365. Formatting marks are symbols that help you see hidden formatting in your document, such as paragraph marks, spaces, and other layout indicators. They are especially useful when you are checking the structure of a document or troubleshooting formatting issues. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to display the formatting marks. The quickest way to turn formatting marks on or off is through the Home tab. At the top of the Word window, make sure you are on the Home tab. Next, look for the Paragraph section on the ribbon. In this section, you will find a button with the paragraph mark symbol, which looks like a backwards P. This is the Show or Hide button for formatting marks. Click the Show or Hide button to turn the formatting marks on. Once you click it, you will see the hidden formatting symbols throughout your document. For example, paragraph marks can appear at the end of each paragraph, while spaces and other formatting indicators may also become visible. These marks do not change the actual content of your document. They are simply visual indicators that help you understand how your document is formatted. To turn the formatting marks off again, simply return to the same Show or Hide button in the Paragraph section and click it once more. The formatting marks will disappear from the document view. Now, let's look at another way to control these formatting marks using Word options. Start by clicking the File tab in the upper left corner of the Word window. From the menu, select Options. This will open the Word Options window. In the Word Options window, select Display from the list on the left. Here, you will find settings that control how certain formatting information is displayed in your document. Look for the section labeled Always Show These Formatting Marks on the Screen. Under this section, you will see several formatting mark options that you can control individually. You can select the formatting marks you want Microsoft Word to always display by checking their corresponding boxes. You can also remove the check marks from the options you do not want to display. This method gives you more control over which specific formatting marks appear on the screen. Once you have made your changes, click OK to apply the settings. Keep in mind that the Show or Hide button provides a quick way to display or hide formatting marks, while the Word Options method lets you control specific marks that you want to keep visible. And that's it. You now know how to turn formatting marks on or off in Microsoft Word using both the Home tab and Word Options. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,